Hello everyone. First of all, I want to wish every one of you Merry Christmas, and to celebrate this festive season, I want to share with you guys Christmas roast recipe where you have the roasted chicken and the roasted vegetable. If you are vegetarian, you can skip out this chicken and you can use the vegetables only. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to wash this chicken as I and you have to peel and chop all these vegetables. So I'm going to pat dry this chicken to make it crispy skin. Pat. Oops. So let's get started. First, you will need to season this chicken with salt and pepper. And don't forget to season the inside of the chicken. So you have a seasoned inside and outside. And with pepper. This is kind of a messy job, but it's all worth it at the end. So we have perfectly seasoned chicken, and we're going to brush it with the sauce that I made now, that I will show you, where you just mix it with olive oil, rosemary, thyme, sugar, black pepper, basil and oregano. So we're gonna generously oil up this chicken. So when you have the extra of the sauce, you just pour it into the We're going to fill up the cavity of this chicken with garlic. So when you fill up the chicken, it will be evenly cooked and also seasoned inside. And kaffir limes, where it gives out this umami flavor. Then add some onion, sweet onion and red onion, mixture of both. So when it's all filled up, you're just going to rest this, and we're going to tie it using this. You need to tie up this chicken so that it doesn't wobble up everywhere during the cooking process in the oven, and while cooking the chicken, it will maintain the posture of the chicken. Chicken also needs posture. You will tuck the wings to the back of the breast, and perfectly chicken. So you need to add some olive oil to this. Some rosemary. And black pepper. And you need to chop up this potato and sweet potato. I just soak it in water so that it doesn't oxidize. So we're gonna add it into, season it with salt. You could use a tongue to stir it, but hands are more convenient, right? We're gonna plate it. I'll be sharing you a tip, because when you want to add this chicken down, you need to have a layer of something to prevent it from the skin sticking it onto the pan. You just need to add some below the chicken so it creates a layer. Such a beautiful color, right? We're going to transfer this chicken onto beauty. So we're going to bake this at 230 degrees Celsius. Let's go to the oven. Thank you for watching. Hope you try out this recipe and do subscribe for more upcoming videos.